Hello friends, so today we are going to be enjoying the beautiful Suyian Soul Camp located in northern Kenya. It's gonna be beautiful, it's gonna be full of wildlife. Let's go enjoy. Such a huge elephant. Looks like a fighting bull because both tusks are broken. The tusk on the left is shorter than the one on the right. So here we've just come across this beautiful reticulated giraffe, one of the most beautiful looking giraffe type that we have here in northern Kenya. It's just enjoying the morning sunshine here as it's feeding. Beautiful golden light shining on the skin of the giraffe here. And now he's just been joined by some very elegant species. The northern special animal here called the Oryx. Beautiful animals. The Oryx has now been joined by the Giraffes zebra, one of the most beautiful zebra species we have in the world. Amazing animals too. This is indeed turning out to be an amazing morning. We are just enjoying our morning light here with amazing animals. The birds here at Suyian Soul Camp are just amazing. So we've been enjoying a ring-necked dove, and now we have a good family here of white-bellied go-away birds. We also received a visit from this beautiful white-headed buffalo weaver, a very beautiful bird too. We are lucky to be here during the rainy part of the year. So this area has quite some good greenery. There's been some bit of rain and showers, and the elephants are loving it. So we have so many elephants around at the moment, and we are really enjoying them. This evening we've connected with a family of vulturine guinea fowls, one of the prettiest guinea fowls we have. So here we've come across a beautiful leopard just hiding behind a bush. So when we found him, he was actually next to an impala kill. But we preferred not to stay so close to the kill, so that we'll be more confident. And here we've just come across one of the cutest animals you can ever see in the bush. This is a baby Gunther's Dik-Dik, just enjoying breastfeeding there. And the baby is so tiny, I've never seen such a young one. Amazing, amazing. This has to be the best animal we've seen during this trip. A baby Guntas Dik-Dik. Look at it. Beautiful, beautiful. We have the room there with all the artwork. Beautiful, beautiful room. You have some nice shelves here where you can put your items. Going across, mosquito netting, which keeps away the grass mosquitoes. They don't carry malaria, but it's good to also prevent the bite, just for the irritation part of it. And here we have nice cabinets where you can store your things and also use them as shelves to place items. And of course, that's the other side. That's looking out to the washrooms where we'll go shortly. But here you have a small study. There's a chair and a table, and you can look out this way to the veranda, which is the prettiest part of the camp actually. I like this part. You have two seats here. There's one seat, and coming around here we have a second seat, which is very cozy, and you're looking down straight to the environment. Look at that. So there's actually elephants down there. You can see some black shades in the distance. Those are elephants coming from the spring. So from your tent you can relax and look just straight into nature and get to connect nicely with wildlife. Really like the orientation of the camp because the lodging, the accommodations, facilities, the food, everything is nicely done and in an eco-friendly manner. So we are going down here now to the washroom area. It's all open again. Beautiful views out here. So this is the toilet. It's a beautiful toilet with some magazines you can read. And as you can see, coming round to this other side, we have the washing area here, and everything is nicely done. Coming down to the main showers, it's a big shower area, really spacious. This entire compound here is actually the showers, and it's bucket showers right from above, so you can get hot water anytime you want. The staff will come around and be able to set that up for you. Beautiful, beautiful. And the toilets are also very eco-friendly. So in fact, this toilet here is a long drop, and they use nice local decomposition strategies to make sure that it's kept neat and clean and healthy, and that way there's not wastage of water. So here we are in quite a dry part of the country, and therefore Suyian Soul Camp tries to do a lot of conservation for both water and energy as well. So solar power, very nice efficient ways of spending water. So we are coming around back to the cottage here, and from this angle you can see how spacious the cottage is. Lots of room to work, lots of room to relax, and definitely we are going to enjoy our stay here. It's a beautiful, beautiful camp. So this is a beautiful camp, and I'm sure we are going to enjoy our stay here. So here's the outdoor dining area. Beautiful dining table, looking down to the natural views, and the birds love it here, as you can see. And a nice acacia tortilis, the beautiful tree up here.